He got his ass.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Predator Airsoft. Thanks for sticking it out with us. I noticed that our subscriber count did not drop. It's been quite a while since we posted a video, so I do apologize. As far as what's going on with us, I don't know if you're aware of it. Those of you who know me personally from the field do know, but my son and I are also cave divers, Aaron. So we spend a lot of time in the summers and the winters doing cave diving, getting our training, stuff like that. And we were away from airsoft for a bit, and when we were coming out, we weren't bringing all the camera gear. So I want to try to change that now for 2024. You guys have stuck with us. I think you guys expect more videos, so we are going to try to fulfill that promise that we made a while back. So this is the last week in December and the first week in January to kind of kick off the 2024 airsoft year. Hopefully I can keep this up. Aaron has joined the sheriff's office, so he's got about 6 months of training, so he's going to be busy 7 days a week, so I'll probably be out here by myself, and I'll try to get as much footage as I can. At any rate, here we go. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. I'm just going to let you see the shots from the weekend, and I did dig out all 12 or 13 cameras, so we're going to start doing some more, a different format to make it a little more enjoyable, I think. I'm not looking to be like the other channels as far as, narrating the whole thing, but I just want to give you guys some quality content. I also want to do a video based on, kind of like my kid wants to be an airsofter. Basically a parent's guide to airsoft, what to expect, what to get, that kind of thing. So here we are. Gameplay is at HolyCowz Airsoft Field, sponsored by Stampede Airsoft out of Newport Richey, Florida. So please enjoy it. Please comment. Please subscribe. Have a great day. I'm so sorry. I did want to do this, but this is our buddy Landon. Landon has neuropathy or something. He doesn't feel much, but I'm just kidding. He called that a gun hit. The bullet, if that had been a real bullet, it would have hit him in the chest because it would have gone through the mag. Now, that's the way it works at HolyCowz Airsoft, is if it's coming directly at you and it hits your gun but would have hit you, then that's it. It's not a gun hit. A gun hit is when you're pointing your gun out and somebody hits your barrel, somebody hits your gun while it's not in front of your body. That is a gun hit. Just so you understand it. Landon didn't call any of these. I hit him 3 times, but he didn't know that one was a direct hit right in the chest. Still didn't call it. Goes back and he still insists on trying to shoot me. So this one almost got him. This was one of the closest shots of the game right there. But you can see it clearly just missed his eyeball. And this is a comedian. Can't remember his name, but oh, that's funny. Yes, that is funny. Anyways, enjoy the rest. And if anyone knows who this is, this gentleman with the black hat and the black T-shirt, right, get ready to shoot him right now. If it weren't for him, I don't know that I would have a video this week, because I going back through it, I realize he's in so many shots, even over different weekends. So if you know who he is, please let me know. I'd like to talk to him just to say hey. Oh, sorry, Benny. That was a long shot from across the field, but I just had to prove it to you.
Sorry, Benny. By themselves. Anything they're out there? I know they're out there. They're not here, so they're here. I think they're on the 18. I keep seeing to do with a gray sweatshirt. Oh, you know what?
And one more quick point: when you see the time and date down in the bottom right, that is not accurate at all. So don't let that throw you off. Whenever the batteries in the cameras die, it just resets to whatever the default date and time is. Ooh, another landing shot. So anyways, just understand that. And also you'll see I slow down when I fire. Sometimes I'll slow it down so you can see the impact of the BB, and then I'll go back to normal speed. It's not a glitch in the video. That's just the way I did some of the. Now this is our buddy Neil. He's a great player, very lots of integrity, honest player. But right now he can't figure out how he's getting hit, because no one can see me with the leaf suit I have on, and he can't figure out if it's his team or not. Finally realized it has to be somebody, so he went ahead and called it. Thank you, Neil. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the way you play. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, we're going to try to keep these videos coming, at least for the meantime, just to give you something else to watch. And please, if you're in the area, check it out. HolyCowz Airsoft Field, sponsored by Stampede Airsoft. And they are also Bullcraft Industries. They make some fantastic products. So please check them out. Look them up on Facebook and say hi. Let them know that Mark sent you from Predator Airsoft. See you next week.